replacing the fuel pressure regulator on my 2003 lb7. I started off by taking this little nipple that has off right here in the bottom of the radiator. Mine was easy to come out since I replaced the radiator a while back, but just kind of be soft with it. So after I used some big pliers, but I'm not sure how the old plug looks. I remember on my last radiator it was really brittle, so that's why I had to replace it. But just if you get some big pliers, it should be easy to take out. Alright, so after it drained out a little bit, I removed this upper radiator hose off the upper nipple, and then remove this one as well. It takes a little bit of wiggling, but especially if they've never been taken off. I've never taken this one off, but I did take this one off when I replaced the radiator. So then there's 2 bolts to take this metal pipe off that goes to the top of the thermostat housing. There's one right here, straight up and down, and this one's a little bit sideways. So you gotta kind of push this over to the side and get your, I put a 12 with a medium-sized extension, and it got it out really well. And then to take the turbo horn off, I used just a 10mm wrench this size. I know some people use a ratcheting wrench, but I just used a normal one, and it's kind of hard to get that bottom one. But if you move this comes right here. If you take that off and put it more over this way, kind of bend it back, it should be pretty easy to get that bike one out. Then I remove this from right here. Just so I can have a little bit more space. Now down here, I put a mask, I guess, because I didn't have anything to put down there, just in case these little bolts fall out, because I don't have a magnet. Bolts to the fuel pressure regulator. Here's one that's already starting to come out. There's another one. I don't know if you can see it. It's right behind that one, and the other one's right here. I know some people remove the air compressor, and I just think this one would be the easier way. Also, I don't have a longer T25, so I'm just, after breaking it loose, I'm just using this, and I put like some electrical tape just in case it falls down in the valley. I can just pull it back up, and I'll do a little update really quick after I get that off.